date online here. We don't have enough time, so today on the 21st of March 2023. It was Töölöntullinkatu, Töölöntullinkatu 3 was the old mistakes here. There's still a bit more to check here, maybe.
Yeah.
This was something not that bad.
Yeah.
I like the camp here, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
No, it's in Meilahti, it's actually Meilahti.
Yeah.
Meilahti, Hissikeskus was also in Finland, but it's close to Töölö.
Yeah.
But like that is 1939. Turning 85 years old in the next year, 2024, a really beautiful cab.
Mm.
It was more or less generics, but it's actually good generics, but we don't have time for more than one, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't say when it was first.
Yeah.
We expect it in 2024. Oh yeah, 2020. Number is AF582. Here says 1958, but it was 39. Maybe it was the turn of the year 1938, 39.
Yeah.
That beep is unnecessary. This is also why modernized is enough.
Yeah.
Still a necessary one.
Yeah.
Even though it's not the worst possible.
Yeah. But the quality is bad.
Yes, and also you look at this. This has the indicator, back indicator.
Yeah. That's